this is just to give you a rough idea of the width of my palm. This is going to be my third Shuffle 2. I have the green and black handled ones, now I have the tan. So there's a Shuffle 2 Kershaw. Bottle opener, screwdriver. Some stats there. 8CR13MOB. I picked this up for $20 at Cabela's. So yeah. Deep carry clip, tip down, very slim profile. Plastic I don't know what type of material handles plastic. Very signature Tonto blade, very beautiful. Finger choil. Full 4-finger grip with the finger choil. Little tough on the locking one-handed, and also it's a little stiff on the opening still. No up and down blade play, very slim blade profile. $20 at Cabela's, really good price. The Kershaw Shuffle 2. It's not loose. Well, let me rephrase that. It wiggles ever so slightly on the clip, left and right. You can't even see it, but you can feel it. I think you can hear it too.